friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's session we'll discuss about the command prompt hacks. So this is very important and you should know about the command prompt. So we'll see the command prompt hacks in this session. So we are going to discuss about a few hacks. The first one, opening the command prompt from any folder. So usually if you want to open a command prompt, simply we use a command prompt and by default it will be in the C prompt, and if you want to change it we have to use that by using the commands. So directly we can open the command prompt with a required path. So that we'll see in this session, and also how to change the color of font and how can we change the font style and how can we change the background color and how to know the IP address of any website. So we are supposed to interact with the server with the help of IP address, but instead of IP address we are giving some URL so that our system will be redirected to that particular server. So but if you want to know the IP address of any website, so how can we know that? Using this command prompt. And how to know the complete network address of our system, so IP address, DNS, MAC, etc, everything will be known by using this command prompt. So that we'll see. And how to know the running tasks of our system. So usually if you want to see this running task, we'll go to the task manager and you can find the running task. So how can we know that? By using the command prompt. And how to scan our system from the command prompt, scanning for virus or errors, right? And how to know all the drivers installed in our system, and how to check the battery health report using the command prompt. So everything we can use we can know by using this GUI, but by using the command prompt, how can we know all these things? And how to know the command prompt history, so whatever the commands previously we have done, so we can get that history. And how to list all the installed programs. So this will be, we can see this one by moving on to the control panel and the programs and features. But by using command prompt, how can we know the installed programs? And how to find the information about commands if you are having any doubts regarding the commands, because the command prompt will be works only with the help of commands. So if you want to know more about the commands, so how to find that information? That simply we can say help, right? So we'll start one by one. First one, opening command prompt from a folder. So first, the command prompt can be opened in two ways. One is a normal mode, another one is an administrative mode. So first, going with the normal mode, go to the run. So start and R. By clicking start and R, we'll get a run command. So here use a CMD, so it will be opened, right? So this is a normal mode. If you want to open this command prompt using an administrative mode, because a few of the commands will be worked only on the administrator mode, right? So if you want to run this command in administrator mode, simply search for the command and you will be getting the options here: open, run as administrator, open file allocation, pin to start and pin to taskbar. So click here, run as administrator. So this will open the command prompt in the administrative mode. So here in the title bar you will be getting this one, administrator command prompt. So if you open that by using a normal mode, so you will be not getting the administrative mode here in the title. So hope you got the difference. So we'll run the commands in the administrative mode. So some of the commands will be worked only in the administrative mode, right? They will be not having any privileges. So we'll run in an administrator mode, right? So first one, how to open the file with the required path. So let us open the command prompt. By usually that will be by default, it will be in the C drive. If you want to change it, see, if I want to change the path towards some E drive and syllabus, E drive and syllabus. So I need to go with the cd dot command. So it will move back and D drive, cd, syllabus. So let us check. E drive, CD, syllabus, right? So we have to use many commands to move the path from one location to another location. Otherwise, simply open the folder. See, I just want to open this one. So open this one. Subjects, PPTs, Linux environment. So here, just click on the location. So this is the location. Type CMD and press enter. So the command prompt will be opened on this particular location. So you can see default D, subject, PPTs and Linux, right? So if you use this Windows plus R and command, by default it will be having the path from the C drive itself. But if you want to open from the desired location, so simply use this, open the folder, and on the location path, so simply click CMD, type CMD and please that one, you will get the command prompt opened in that particular location. And so hope you understood this first one. How can we open the command prompt from the required path? And the next one, change the color of a font and a color style. So first let us change the color of a font. So by default the font color will be white, right? So use a command called color followed by, give the names from 0 to 9. Okay, number from 0 to 9, each will give one a different colors. If you go color 0, so it will be one color. Color 1, it's a blue. Color 2, it's a green. Color 3, it's a light blue. Color 4, red. Color 5, purple. Color 6. So the font color will be changed, right? So if you want to know what type, how many numbers we can have, simply use a slash and question mark to know the commands. So here you can see 0 for black, 1 is blue, 2 for green, 3 aqua, 4 red, purple, yellow, white. Okay, and similarly G8 for gray, 9 for light blue, and A to F. From 0 to 9 and A to F will give a different colors. So this will be only for font. Okay, font color. So, and coming to the background color and a font style. So both will be having in the same thing. So font style and background color. So right click on the window, go to the properties. So here you can see the font size, which size we require, and font style. So you can see this is a font style. So there are different font styles. You can change the font styles to your required one. And color. So this is a color. Okay, you can select, by default it will be a black. So you can select a different colors. So you can select a different colors. Right? And opacity, that means a transparency. You can see this is a transparency. Okay, transparency. So you can select everything and click OK, so that the color of the background has been changed, as well as the font style is also has been changed. Okay, so right click on this window, go to the properties, or simply if you don't want to get this one, click on defaults. So everything will be set to the defaults and click OK. So change the color, go to the black, click on OK, you'll get a black background, right? So this is how we can change the color of the font, we can change the font style, we can change the background color. And the next one, how to know the IP address of any website. IP address of any website. So if you open this one and browser, and if you want to go to the google.com, so directly we are getting some google.com website. Okay, the website will be opened. So this happens with the help of an IP address, right? So our system will send a request to the IP address of the server, and we'll get the response from that particular IP address. So instead of using this IP address, we are using the URL like google.com. But back end, so it will be redirected to the required IP address. So every server will be having an IP address. So our system will send a request to that particular IP address. Okay, the URL will be converted to the IP address. To know the IP address of any website, simply use a command called ping followed by website URL, right? www.google.com. So you can have the IP address is 142.250.77.132. So this is the IP address. This is the IP address of this particular URL. So check once again, ping www.bing.com. So this is the IP address of bing.com. Okay, right? So ping www.youtube.com. So the IP address of YouTube 142.250.196.174. So we can get the IP address of any website by using the command ping followed by the URL. And the next one, how to know the complete network address of our system. So what is the IP address of our system and etc will be known by using a command called ipconfig /all. So you will be getting the complete information of our system. See, host name, node type, IP routing, so wireless LAN adapter information. Okay, wireless LAN adapter local area connection information. See, IP address, IP version 4 address, subnet mask. Okay, default gateway, server, version 6 client, DNS servers, etc. Everything about the networking information will be getting with the help of the command ipconfig /all, right? And next one, see how to know the running tasks of our system. So in order to get the running tasks, we have to use the taskbar. We have to open the taskbar. So there you can find the running tasks. See, here you will be having all the processes. These are the tasks which are being running, right, in our system. So in order to get this information using a command prompt, use the command called tasklist. Tasklist will give all the tasks which are running in our system. So these are all the tasks which are running in our system, right? Okay, so instead of using the task manager, you can simply use this command. And the next one, how to scan our system for a command prompt, from a command prompt. So in order to scan the system to find the errors, so we can simply use a sfc command /SCANNOW. SCANNOW. So this will automatically start scanning our system. You can see, so beginning verification phase of system scan. So it will be being verified. So it will verify each and every process, each and every file of our system, right? And it will display the report at the end. After completion of this one, it will give the report. Okay, so it may take some time. So in the other window, we'll discuss about the remaining hacks. So after that, we'll come back to this one, right? So once again, I will open the command prompt as an administrator. So we'll practice, or we'll see the remaining commands here. So the next one, how to know all the drivers installed in our system. So what are the system drivers installed in our system? So to know about this, we are having a command called driverquery. Driverquery. So driverquery is a command to know all the drivers which are being installed in our system drivers. Okay, so it may take some time. Yes, so we got the drivers list which are being installed in our system. Okay, everything will be displayed in an alphabetical order. Okay, you can see, so all these are the drivers installed, so related to the kernel, related to the file system, right? So everything will be displayed here. The complete list will be displayed here. And then to check the battery health report, so regarding the battery information, to check the battery health report, so use the command powercfg /batteryreport. So you can get the information regarding the battery. Okay, so here you can see the battery life report saved to the file, which is available in C, Windows System 32 and batteryreport.html. So the complete battery report will be created in the form of HTML page. So go to this particular location so that you can get the complete battery report. So see in C drive, Windows System 32. So go to the folder. So go to the C drive, go to the Windows and go to the System 32. And here you can have the file batteryreport.html. See, you'll be having batteryreport.html, and here you will be getting complete information about the battery. So install batteries, the name, manufacturer, serial numbers, okay, and see the recent usage, the recent usage of the battery, so start time, so everything. So the complete information of the battery usage will be recorded in this particular file, that is a batteryreport.html, which is available in C drive Windows folder, System 32 folder, right? The complete battery information. So the command we are using is batterycfg powercfg hyphen battery report. So this is a command used to find the battery report. And the next one, how to know the command prompt history. So we can know the history of command prompt. That means what are the commands we are using. Okay, what are the commands we are using? That can be done with the help of a command called doskey / history. So let us check here. Doskey / history. See, these are the commands we have used in this one. Okay, so the rest of the commands we used in the another command prompt. Okay, so in this particular command prompt we are using only these three commands. So we got the history of this DOS prompt. Okay, so the command is doskey -history. And the next one, how to list all the installed programs. So this will get from the programs and features in the control panel, but from the command prompt we can get all the installed programs by using the command wmic product get name, so that we'll get all the names of programs which are being installed in our system. So just wait for a second. So it will display all the programs which are already installed in our system. So meanwhile we'll move on to the scanning. So it was completed up to 88%, right? So yes, so we got the complete list of programs which are being installed in our system. So these are the programs installed. Okay, and then the last one is the information about the commands. So do you want to know the more information about the commands? For example, take this SFC. SFC is a command to scan. So if you want to get more details about this command, simply use the write the command SFC /? It will give the information about this particular command. See, SFC -SCANNOW will scan all complete files, and you can also use a verify file. You can also scan a particular folder or a file by using this one. Okay, so like this, if you want to get more information about that particular command, just type that command, and after that command use a / and ? So that we'll get the information. So for example, if you want to get more information about the color, so color - ? It will give the complete information, more information about the color. So what are the possibilities? And if you want to use a ping, so ping - ? It will give the information of the ping. So we can use a ping command in different ways, right? See, -t, if you use a -t, ping the specified host until stop. -a, resolve addresses to host names. -n count, number of echo requests to send. Okay, -l size, send the buffer size. So like this we can use a ping. See, ping -t. So IP address must be specified. We have to specify the IP address so that it will keep on specifying the host until it was stopped. So we can use this slash and question mark command to know more details about the required command. So you have to use a command name followed by slash and question mark, right? So this is how we can find the information, more information about the commands. You can know information about the commands. And see, it was completed 100% was completed. So Windows resource protection did not find any integrity violations. So we'll get the report here. If it found any, so it will display the information about any violations or any errors. It will be displayed here. Otherwise, we'll get this one. So this is how we can use the command prompt. Okay, so these are the most important or mostly known hacks on command prompt, right? Hope you understood this one, and if you are having any doubts regarding this one, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will try to clarify all your doubts. If you really enjoyed my session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.